Hi everyone, just want to show you a really cool Mark Knopfler style way of organising your pentatonic scale. So basically it's a cool little riff. That sort of vibe, and all I've basically done is I've played the scale coming down, and in my head I've assigned each note a number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on, coming through the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm just going to do notes 1 to 3, and then notes 2 to 4, and then notes 3 to 5, and so on. And you can just carry on. And you just play them in sets of triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so on. So when you get them fast, and then they just become effortless. They're good to roll into as well, coming down the scale. You get the vibe, but it's loads of fun. Have a try of it.